exponential question here, which is 4 to the power of 52 times 25 to the power of 49 equals what? So let's solve for that. Now here, as you can see, we have 4 to the power of 52 and 49. Now if you see the exponents, there is a relation because 52 and 49 are close to each other. So we can just write it as this one. I'm going to write it as 4 cube times 4 to the power of 49. This term can be written as 4 cube times 4 to the power of 49. So you can have same basis, and multiplication in between means adding the powers. So 3 plus 49 gives you 52 back. Now I have times 25 to the power of 49. Now as I can see, here you have 49, here you have 49. You've got the same exponents. I can club them. So I'll have 4 cube. Then what I'm going to do is times, you have this 4 to the power of 49 times 25 to the power of 49. So that will give us 4 cube times 4 times 25 whole to the power of 49. So what is 4 times 25 is 100. So we have 100 to the power of 49. And as we know, 100 can be written as 10 squared. So we have 4 cube times 10 squared whole to the power of 49. 4 cube is 64 times, you have power to power. So what do? We multiply the powers. 2 times 49 is 98. So we have 64 times 10 to the power of 98. As we can see, this is in the form of something like this: a into 10 to the power of b, where a is 64 and here b is 98. But here a should be greater than or equal to 1 and smaller than 10, and b is just an integer. This term has to be lesser than 10, so it has to be, now have a decimal, move this one slot towards left, it becomes 6.4, and then here you add plus 1. When you move the decimal, 10 to the power of 98 plus 1 is 99. So your answer here is 6.4 into 10 to the power of 99.